This is the chatter page on PoliticIt Campaign. What this page allows you to do is allows you to monitor issues you're interested in, people you're interested in, or keywords that you might be interested in various social networks or the internet at large. Now, the way you access this page is by clicking on this icon here in the upper right-hand corner. What you want to do after you access it, if you want to set up a feed like Facebook, what you do is you come over here and you click on this drop-down arrow. You can then specify a person's name that you're friends with on Facebook. You press the add button. You can then do it by page. So if you're interested in following a page like PoliticIt's page, add it. You can look at conversations your friends are having on your Facebook page about a certain subject like politics. Add it. And you can even look at public feeds. Public feeds is great if you have a unique name or you're tracking a keyword across all of Facebook users, and you can type in that keyword or name and it will pull up when people use that keyword or name throughout Facebook. Now after you've added all these in, you can just press update feed, and what will happen is it will then update your feed showing these search terms. So you can see here that there's conversations about politics and PoliticIt's in here, and other individuals have been added in. It's really easy to remove them. All you do is hit remove check and you press update feed, and then those feeds are then removed. You can do the same thing with Twitter. All you do is come over here, you press this drop down. Then what you can do is you can specify tweets to, and here you type in a Twitter user's name. You press add. You can do tweets from. So this is looking at tweets to Joshua J. Light on Twitter and tweets from Joshua J. Light. You can also look at tweets containing a specific hashtag like Utah Poll, which is a popular hashtag in Utah politics. Or you can look at mentions for a Twitter user. So if you want to look at when people mentions Joshua J. Light, you just press add. Now all you have to do is hit update tweets. Now you can see that it's updated the tweets following Utah Poll, mentions to Joshua J. Light, and the other search queries that we've specified it to do. This is Tumblr. Tumblr can actually be accessed by clicking this drop down, just like Twitter and Facebook. And here you can type in your Tumblr blog, or a Tumblr blog of someone you're interested in following. If you're a Democrat, it might be helpful to follow Barack Obama's Tumblr blog, because then you have content that you can post to your constituents about what the president's doing. This is Flickr. Flickr works just like Tumblr. You can type in someone's name like Barack Obama if you're a Democrat, and you just press get Tumblr pictures. These are all the pictures, or Flickr pictures. These are all the pictures appearing on Flickr regarding Barack Obama. And this is really helpful because then you can find photographs to share in your social networks about Barack Obama if you're a Democrat. Here we have news. News is great because you can type in any keyword and find news on it. So if you wanted to find news on John Swallow, who's the Attorney General of Utah, you just press update the feed and add him, update the feed, and then you'll see news on John Swallow. Here you can see John Swallow, GOP lawmaker shields John Swallow from legislative grilling. You can do that with politics as well. You could add politics. You could add technology. And then you update the feed. Here you have John Swallow, politics and technology on Google, and also Yahoo, and all that information is populating here. Another interesting feature you can do is you can add or remove networks. You could remove the Facebook feed, Twitter. You could add Instagram. You could remove Tumblr, Flickr, and news. And then finally, there's a word cloud. The word cloud allows you to see all of these conversations, the most prominent words used in these feeds. This is great because you can set up your feeds, you can save your feeds, and then you can quickly get an idea on what people are talking about in those feeds. You can even isolate a specific network, so you could find out what people on Twitter are talking about. You can even do it with news. Or you can even do it with Facebook. And this is the chatter page. Thank you for watching.